In this video, I will explain how to purchase the Apple developer account. Actually, most of the people are facing a number of issues when they are trying to purchase the Apple developer account. Actually, in the initial time, when you are trying to purchase the app in the first time, you are not facing any issue. But in the first time, you are drop out the steps and then you are trying in the second time, then surely you are the facing issue like unable to continue and you are like not able to enroll the Apple developer program. So alternatively, you can't follow the basic steps. For that, first you need the iPhone. Suppose if you have iPhone, go to on the App Store, then download Apple developer app. So after download the Apple developer app, just open the app, then go to on the account section. Then here you can able to see the enroll now button. So just click the enroll now button, then it will be redirected to the redirect to asking the mobile number for enable the two-step verification. Once you complete the two-step verification, it will ask the address. So once you complete the address section, then it's asking the card details. Suppose if you are from the India, then it asks the UPI ID and the net banking. Suppose if you are another country without India, then it asking the card details. So once you complete this, you can able to complete the subscription. So once it's completed, you get a prompt like enroll now, you will receive an email soon. So these are the steps for purchase your Apple developer account. Actually, if you are tried in your Mac, then surely you are facing the issue like unable to content. So actually I am using the MacBook M2. I tried number of times. For example, I tried 5+ more times. Then every time I am facing the same issue. Then just I tried my iPhone. Then in the first time the first time means in the first attempt I will able to purchase the account. So if you are facing any issue, just comment below. I will help you. And actually the payment mode on it will be the UPI and net banking. Actually it's automatically enabled on the auto pay. So in the future you can cancel the auto pay method. So if you have any doubts, comment below. I will comment. And actually I am from Tamil Nadu, so I am not good in English, so sorry for that, and thank you.